Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, ZionRoots. Don't know.
Bless up me Rasta family. Me name is ZionRoots. Give thanks for all the love and support. Every week mega bring uno roots music and good vibes. Subscribe, bless up, and enjoy the music. One love.
No, 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 no. Morning sunrise on the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain when faith alone remain. Now they done break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever see you.
Chant of the morning sun. Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal.
Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for ya. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want live love around. Every beat and every sound heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street,
Morning sun,
guide the feet.
elder preach.
Youth them learn, all hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Yeah.
Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No fear, no shame.
Just glory in Jah name. I work Canada.
Chant of the morning sun.
Na 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 na.
Jah work just begun.
You know.
Every heart and every soul come together for the goal.
Rise again. Stand tall. Jah love for ya. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun shine again, wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Give me this red sky, man. Waves rolling with hypnotic sway, hitting shore in ripping me ease. Me stand firm beside the sand, feeling messages in the breeze. Salts and wrap me like a cloak, calming every restless thought. Ocean drum beat ancient song, teaching lessons never born. The tide embrace the sandy floor, shaping patterns wide and clean, marking stories left behind. hidden things we never seen. Me feel the pulse of distant worlds traveling through the foamy crest, showing how connection deep always live inside the chest. A gull fly low and cry a tune, echo stretch across the space, mixing with the ocean roar, sending healing through the place. All the waves are chanting time, sinking perfectly together, forming harmony so strong, it lift me heart like feather. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum, steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul. Carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. Me walk deeper in the foam, cold but soothing to the skin. Like the waves I wash my worries, cooling everything within. The horizon stretch so far, promising a world unseen, guiding eyes to look beyond, past the places we have been. A sudden breeze lift up the surf, sparkling trails across the blue, painting lines of living art, shaping visions fresh and new. Me let the silence fill my heart, blending with the ocean tone. Every rhythm, every way, speak of courage we must own. Let the water lift your mind, leave the heavy thoughts behind. Feel the current shape your view, bring renewal shining through. Every swell and every break, give your strength in what you make. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum, steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul. Carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. So when life get loud and wild, walk beside the ocean's beat. Let the rhythm calm your heart, grounding you from head to feet. Ocean drum, forever play, lifting burdens one by one. Guide your spirit through the storm, till the brighter days come. Da 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 da. Ay 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 ay. Ya la 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 la. Ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay. Radio crackle, needle drop, old tune never stop. Dust on speaker, vibe still pure, real sound endure. The music fast but empty now, flash and noise know how. Me search for rhythm with a spine. Something timeless, something prime. Me hear the echo from long ago. Roots still grow. Vinyl spin like life itself. Truth can't sit on shelf. Every lyric carving stone. Street and yard and home. Me smoke a draw and listen deep. Memories me keep. Old soul, frequency tune me mind. Different space, different time. Old soul, frequency lock me in. Let the healing begin. Me hear struggle without scream. Hope hiding in between. No art or love, no sugar coat. Just message float. Music talk like elder friend. Guide me to the end. Me see the youth them hungry for real. More than likes and real. So me pass the tune, pass the light. Keep the fire bright. Frequency never out of style. Work the while. Some sound fade like smoke in rain. True sound remain. When bassline hit me chest, me know said this the best. Old soul, frequency tune me mind. Different space, different time. Old soul, frequency lock me in. Let the healing begin. When the world too loud for ear, me tune right here. Old soul play till the end. True sound never bend. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me feel the flame start grow deep in my soul below. Jah whisper in my ear, no fear. Me light the match of truth since me youth. Me walk through fire long, still me strong. Them test me heart and soul, but Jah control. Me see the system crumble down, still me wear me crown. Every spark me keep alive, Jah help me survive. Me burn for freedom, burn for right. Me shine my light, no evil can cool my flow. Me still grow, every scar a lesson learn. Every bridge me burn, me chant the flame of peace till it freeze. Fire within me soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame, Jah call my name. Fire within burn bright, guide me through the night. Righteous heat inside, Jah me guide. Oh boy, me pass through darkness, yes, but me still blessed. Me heart no turn to stone. Me stand alone, me spark ignite the crowd. Me sing loud, them try to hold me down. Still me wear Jah crown. Me say the youth them lost, me pay the cost. Me teach them light, not gun. Fight with sun, the flame for heal the land, not destroy man. Each ember pure and true like morning dew. My fire eternal burn, every soul return. Jah wine fan the flame, forever same. Fire within my soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame, Jah call my name. Fire within burn, guide me through the night. Righteous heat inside, Jah me guide. Summer blaze till my days done. Fire of the sun, keep it bright, my friend, no end. drums them play, roots display. Me see the red, gold, green wave high, spirit fly. Rasta nation chant for change, no strange. We rise in Jah the true, me and you. From Kingston straight to Accra town, we hold it down. From hills of Ethiopia high, bless Jah sky. Rasta people one vibration, true nation. No border divide with soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta nation rise, open eyes. Hey, Rasta nation strong and free, Jah family. Rasta nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the drummers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around, the youth them carry touch. A fire never tire, Rasta nation build again. From pain, me see the queen wrap her crown. No back down, king and empress hand in hand. Across the land, we chant for justice true. For me and you, Rasta nation lead the way. New day, no division, no hate. Rasta create, from Africa to world. Flag unfurled, Rasta roots eternal flame. Praise Jah name, praise Jah name. Yeah, yeah. Rasta nation strong and free, Jah family. Rasta nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Rasta nation rise again, heal the pain. Rasta nation chant the psalm, keep calm. Yeah. Na 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 na. Rasta connection, one love foundation firm, Jah confirm. Aye aye aye, Rasta man and Zion, reggae ya man. Open me eyes before the sun appear. Hear Jah whisper in me ear. Rise, O youth, no live in fear. Freedom draw near. Me see the dance spread across the sea. Spirit speak clear to me. Rise up the free, born again. No more chain, no more pain. Me see the soldier on the road. Me see the burden heavy load. But me heart full of courage still, cause Jah have the will. Them try control me every thought, but truth can't be bought. Them try to silence Jah name, but me chant the flame. Me see the youth them rise and shout. Babylon wall soon crumble out. No more division, one creation, one heart, one meditation. Me feel the drum beat on me chest. Call for the ones who never rest. Them fight for love, them fight for peace, till justice release. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit never defeat. Me mother cry but still she pray. Say Jah never stray. Through the struggle me learn the way. Jah always guide. Me plant the seed and watch it grow. Me see the roots, them start to show. Me brethren gather, hand in hand. We build again this sacred land. No more hate, no envy there. Just righteousness in the air. Me walk with truth, me talk with grace. Jah glory in me face. No power of man can stop the time. No wall too tall for love to climb. Me feel the freedom in the breeze. Me soul at peace beneath the trees. Chant down the system, chant it low. Righteous river start to flow. Every tongue and every tribe join the universal vibe. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provides the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit never defeat. Iron rise up the free, heart and flame. Call Jah Jah, holy name. One world, one destiny. Unity set we free. Rise up now, let Babylon fall. Hear the trumpet call. Love is the law, truth the key. Rise up the free. When the darkness try to stay, Jah light still guide the way. Me chant me song, me soul take flight. Me heart beat strong in the night. Rise, oh people, rise and see the dawn of the free. No, no. Na 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 na. Soft breeze roll through the valley side. Melody rise like a calming tide. Every heartbeat find a gentle flow. Guiding spirit where the peace must go. The morning dew rest on the land. Nature whisper like a healing and fragrance of hope drift in the air. Show the people say love still they here. Old memories fade as new ones grow. Plant them seeds and watch them glow. Hills echo warm, clear and bright. Draw the weary closer to light. Me ear drum knock under the shade. Calling souls where the system fade. Simple moments bring truth alive. Teach mankind to unite and thrive. No man stand alone in this place. Every smile leave a shining trace. Roots unite like branch and tree. Build foundation for unity. River of harmony carry we strong. Flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain. Bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure. Guide we forward, soul secure. Me watch the children dance on the shore. Full of dreams, wanting more. Hope rise high in every laugh. Split the darkness clean in half. Night may come but light remain. Keep the people through joy and strain. Voices blend like colors bright. Painting peace across the night. Every corner feel the wave. Set the timid heart for brave. The elders chant wisdom wide. Lift the nation side by side. Hold firm, stay strong. Harmony guide we all along. No fear, no doubt. Let the inner light come out. River of harmony carry we always here. Aye, ganja, and meditate your man. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Me hear the river call me name. Flow of love, eternal flame. From mountain peak to valley low, Jah blessings overflow. Every stream of ice of peace, where hate and war must cease. Me walk beside the water clear, feel Jah presence near. Every drop a story told, of truth them can't control. The rhythm of the river beat, guide me step, guide me feet. In harmony me find me place, reflections of Jah grace. Me see me people gather round, sweet Naya Bingi sound. Hands join tight in one accord, me give thanks to the Lord. No bother color, creed divide, we flow side by side. Every nation, every kind, one destiny, one mind. Oh, yeah. River of unity, flow on strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright, shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Jah stream. Oh, me see the youth them learn for care, me see the elders share. No vanity, no pride remain, just peace again. From the river me draw strength, wisdom come at length. It teach me patience, teach me calm. Jah on me palm, even when the tide get rough. Love alone enough. Me trust the current fi carry me to Jah eternity. Me see reflection of me face, me see the human race, all connected, one family tree, river of unity. Oh, flow, river flow, let Jah love overflow. From Kingston town to Addis land, one creation, hand in hand. No man greater, no man small, one Jah rule them all. Me chant this song for harmony. Jah love set we free. River of unity, flow on strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright, shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Jah stream. River flow, don't ever end. Heal the heart, uplift the friend. Through the struggle, me still see Jah water cleanse me. Me sit beside the bank and pray, give thanks for another day. River of unity, flow forevermore, till peace reach every shore. Na 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 na. Move script curve like the bassline drum. Steady vision stretch touch where the skyline end. Future send me grounded deep in ancestral way. Night and day, elder voice echo in me head. Words said, but me eyes lift beyond the hill. Iron will me respect past, but me chase new down. Moving on, roots keep me balanced when storm arrive. Stay alive, vision pull me past limitation wall. Break style, green stuck in comfort, memory lane. Expand brain, roots heavy, vision high. Touch the sky, firm foundation, open view, future true. Tradition with modern art, smart charts, old wisdom guide the innovation. Same game, me grow branch fight, but the trunk stay thick. Solid stick, dream big, but you walk up pace. Elevation without ego rise. Eyes, me carry culture forward clean. Fresh seed, balance turn drill into plan. Yes man, roots heavy, vision wide. Grounded soul, flying mind, alive. From the time to open sky, me
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Me hear the wind sing clear, freedom near. Drum beat echo through town, chains fall down. Me lift me voice for the cause, no pause. Song of freedom loud and high, reach the sky.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Me born fi chant truth loud, no bow to crowd. Me voice me only weapon strong, me chant long. Me call out Babylon lie, till it die. Freedom song me melody, set we free. Them try silence me sound, still rebound. Me spirit like fire blaze, through the haze. No fear me carry no shame, John name. Me chant down wicked pride, side by side. Song of freedom, play again, heal the pain. Song of freedom, pure and high, never die. Me hear the people start to sing, voices ring, unity spread through the street, heartbeat. Song of freedom touch the soul, make we all. Me feel the energy grow, overflow. Me see the youth lift them hand, take a stand. Me see the elder wipe him eye, no more cry. Freedom rhythm no stop, top to top. Jah tune the key of peace, sweet release. Me no sing for fame or gold, but story told. Me sing for justice rise, open eyes. Song of freedom loud and near, me persevere. Song of freedom, play again, heal the pain. of freedom, pure and high, never die. Song of freedom, carry on till night gone. Song of freedom, strong and true, bless me and you. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. So when the silence strike control, sing from soul, freedom tune forever play till judgment day. Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Keep a walking, shadows glow. Guard the flame we seldom know. Every night he light the way, so the lost can find the day. No applause, no fame, no crown. Keep on, never turn around. Every step a quiet vow to hold the truth we need somehow. Elder tell of keeper's path, born of mercy, free from wrath. Every candle small yet bright, keep a guide through endless night. No man see the work he do, but your reward him pure and true. Every whisper calm and kind, keep a heal the troubled mind. Child them ask who light the star, keep a smile from near not far. Every flame a story told, keeper's hand so strong so bold. Babylon fade but still he stay, keep a guard the righteous way. No corruption, no deceit, keep a heart forever be. Na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Poet dream and vision clear, keep a song he start to hear. Every note a glowing prayer, keep a spirit everywhere. When the night seem endless long, keep a hum the ancient song. From creation calm and wise, keep a shine where darkness lies. Morning come and light reveal, keepers work beneath the steel. Every shadow fade away, keep a bring the golden day. Everlasting, true and free, keep a guard eternity. Every soul he helped to rise, keep a song still fill the skies. Shine, shine, sacred flame, keep a call the holy name. Guide, guide everyone till the work of love is done. Keep our song strong and pure, carry faith that will endure. Never fading, never gone, keep us light forever strong. Ever shining, calm and wide, keep our walk by your side. From the dawn to setting sun, keep us work is never done. Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man.
Zion brother is so high, man.
na Zion, yeah man. Na Zion, man. Shining bright from heaven high, Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. Zion light make me whole. No darkness can dim its flame. Zion light exalt your name. Forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light for me and you. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light called your name. Na Zion man. Na Zion man. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion light keep it strong. It burn the wicked, heal the kind. Zion light renew the mind. Eternal glowing, never cease. Zion light bring your peace. Rising morning sun, Zion light the chosen one. It blaze eternal, never fall. Zion light the one and all. It warm the heart, it free the soul. Zion light me holy goal. Forever shining, bright and wide. Zion light always guide. It rise eternal, shine so high. Zion light fill the sky. No Babylon can hide the ray. Zion light forever stay. It guide the nations, guide the man. Zion light, Jah plan. Eternal glowing, pure and strong. Zion light all along. Trumpet sound again. Zion light still remain. Forever only, never fade. Zion light Jah hand has made. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion light show Jah way. Eternal flame, forever true. Zion light for me and you. Shine high, shine free. Zion light eternity. No night, no chain can dim the glow. Zion light forever show. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light call your name. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion light keep shining on.
Na Zion Reggae, man.
Yeah. Peace of Zion fill me soul. Make the broken spirit whole. It calm the storm, it heal the pain. Zion peace forever reign. No Babylon can take away Zion peace here to stay. Zion peace, calm and wide, everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song, Zion peace forever strong. From age to age, from night to dawn, Zion peace still carry on. Earth feel calm in the early mist. Nature whisper like a gentle twist. Me take a breath, me take it slow. Jah melody start to flow. The hillside covered in morning dew. Fresh breeze carry a vibrant hue. Me walk the path with steady stride. No rush, no worry, just pure pride. Me see the youth, them lift them head. Shake off doubt from what was said. Me tell them focus on your dreams. Even rivers start as streams. A sculptor carve stone by the lane. His hands covered in dust and pain. But from the rock come shape and grace. Strength and beauty share one space. Me reason with him for a while. He teach me patience, teach me style. He say every block hide a hidden key. Carve with love and truth you'll see. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold the center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Me step through town as sun get bright. Every corner full of life and light. Children paint murals on the wall. Colorize and never fall. Me feel the vibes in every stroke. Future built from word and spoken creativity. A healing field. Brush and drum become the shield. Evening comes soft like cotton cloth. Birds them settle, breeze blow warm. Me sit and watch the skyline glow. City heartbeat, calm and slow. People gather for small delight. Share them music through the night. Harmony rising every tone. Blend like breeze, shaping stone. Stand firm like mountain tall, but stay flexible through it all. Life a dance between strong and free. Hold the balance, let it be. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold the center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. When trouble rise or tension freeze, remember the wisdom of stone and breeze. Stay grounded strong, but light in mind, and peace will follow every time. Every time. No, no, no. Son over Zion, your man. Jack Lightning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Early in the morning, me rise with the sun. Now ya bingy drum beat, we had just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of trees. Me chant ancient words while me feel the breeze. No concrete jungle, just earth and sky. No fake smiles, just truth in I and I. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Built from roots and blessed from the start. Me sip ital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most high ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze, but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one heart, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. The skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me nah carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors from above. Fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of herb, me troubles fade away. Me teach the youth, feel live and learn. To hold the fire till Babylon burn. So if you lost, come follow this flame. Me nah play fame, me play your name. Zion echo, sound system high. We chant redemption till we reach the sky. So light it up and feel the breeze. Rasta life bring inner peace.
Na 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 na. Ganja and Zion, yeah, man. Nah, hear the drum beat in the night. Ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding and from long before, flame still burning evermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone, eternal sign. Blood and sweat, yet spirit strong. Flame a guide the whole along. No oppression, hold it down. Flame of truth, a shining crown. Generation, pass it on. Flame of ancestors never gone. The storm I try to rise, flames still dancing in the eyes. Babylon has spread them lies. Flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside. Flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil. Flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall. Still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call, flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat. Flame of past and future me. Torch of love, eternal guide. Flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness tries to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing, bold and pure. Flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire. Lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong. Flame of ancestors, carry on. Flame of the ancestors, burning high. Light the people, never die. Forever glowing, bold and free. Flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core. Flame of ancestors, evermore. Tonight, lanterns glow with gentle lights. Me heart feel open, mind feel clear, calling blessings far and near. Me stroll through streets soft lit and warm. Shadows shape a quiet farm. People move with easy grace, joy reflecting every face. Me hear two elders reason deep about promises we need to keep. Them words like fire in the cold, wisdom never growing old. A young musician play his tune, soft like silver, bright like moon. He sing of dreams he want to chase, spread his voice all over the place. Me stop, feel, listen, feel the spark. His melody lights up the dark. Me tell him continue, never fear. Your song soon travel far and near. Lanterns in the distance shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. Me wander toward the hillside slope, find a group chanting songs of hope. Harmony float like sacred breeze, flow through branches, touch the trees. Me join them with a humble tone, feel vibration in every bone. Connection deep, connection real, a unity nothing can steal. Down the valley voices spread, people lift them weary head. Lanterns drifting toward the sky, send up prayers high and high. Me stand and watch the colors rise, blend with stars before me eyes. Every glow a humble sign that darkness fade when hearts align. Light the mind, light the way, even small sparks chase career. Every soul whole ember bright, share it freely through the night. Lanterns in the distance shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. So keep your lantern held up high, let it burn against the sky.
trouble, try fi roam. Your inner light will lead you home.
No, 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 ganja is the life, you man. Oh, Carver sit by morning flame, chisel sing Jah holy name. Every stroke a prayer in wood, shaping peace where once war stood. No machine can match the grace, light reflect upon his face. Every carving smooth and deep, spirit watch while angels keep. Through the grain these stories run, carver carve the moon and sun. Every mark a hidden code, path of wisdom gently showed. Babylon craft with greed and haste, carver build with love and taste. From the timber truth is born, light of mercy crowned the morn. He carved the lion strong and wise, he carved the bird that never dies. Every curve a memory, every shape a melody. Child them gather, eyes them gleam, carve a build them Jaja dream. No illusion, no deceit, light of work makes soul complete. When the sunset paint the hill, carve a carve with patient will. Every piece a world reborn, from the night to shining morn. His hands are rough, his heart is kind, light of peace dwell in his mind. Every mark a holy vow, carve a living spirit now. Elder come and bless the tree, carve a bow respectfully. Every branch a legacy of creation's melody. From the wood, the fire, the sound, carver keep the people strong. Every statue, every line, echo Jah design divine. Carve, carve, bright and clear, shape of the truth we all hold dear. Shine, shine, hand of flame, write your glory, praise his name. Light, carve a child of peace, build a world where hate shall cease. Never breaking, never gone, carve a sing creation song. Oh, oh, Nana Ganja is the life, your man. Ever shining, pure and grand, craft of love from Jah. Every shape, both rough and fine, light carve a soul divine. Ay, 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 ay. Smoke and meditate, yeah, man. Me see the towers reach the sky, but truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me ear, the world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake, Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time, them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat, but every stone them stack so high. Soon crumble, soon dry, the earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again, them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold, me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain, me see the people gather round. Freedom sound, no more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide, them try to silence your name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound, walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key, set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay, Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn, righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child, say justice no fi mild. Me see the father chant a prayer, Jah always there. Me see the system lose control, people claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line, time fi redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall, me just answer Jah call. Cause from the ruin come rebirth, new heaven
heaven, new earth, me see the sunrise, gold and red. A sign for what just said. Babylon fall, but we still stand, guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong, we build again from dust and clay. Just show the way, no crown for the wicked king. Only truth we sing, me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Babylon gone. Babylon gone. Go. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon fall.